Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use your phone as a remote control. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and let's get started. Now for Apple TV, iPhone users have a built-in remote located directly, and the next thing is simply gonna go ahead search in remote right over here. Once you get your remote, you're gonna go ahead pair your remote with your TV. Once you get the search option here in TV, make sure again the Wi-Fi is same so you can get the Bluetooth up the device connection request right here. Once you have connected that, you simply will be able to use your phone as your remote for your Apple TV. Now the existing remote control only works for Apple TV. If you have any other TV, then you have to simply go ahead download remote specifically. For example, if you have Sony, Roku, Fire TV, then you will have to go to the device's App Store or Play Store and download a specific TV brand's official remote application. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.